My brother, if Nigerian law dey work, that Ekperima wey dey call himself Ebuka Obi for don dey jail. He's a criminal. Evangelist, is it a job title? Is prophet a job title? Is pastor a job title? Go and look for work. And the person tell you now, he say you go arrest am, you go do this and nye. Na para now una go dey tell that one. Okay? Juliet, go and still verify all the things I said about Nnamdi Kanu. Know whether they are true or false. Didn't I warn you will destroy your region? Has he not destroyed your region? So why would you be catching feelings? Yes, that you should always focus on what's the truth, not who is involved. Forget personality and look at the subject matter. There is a reason it's called subject matter. So forget all those criminals. Ndoshi. Which church make I attend tomorrow? I beg my people. Like I always say, you will start it, I will end it. You will be the one to start it, I will be the one to decide when it ends. No be you go decide. Once you start it, the gin is out of the bottle and you can't pull it back. Once you start it, the gin is out of the bottle, you can't put it back. For Ebuka Obi's clan, they ban selling of meat because Ebuka Obi father and two of his friends buy one man, butcher him body, share the meat. I have no evidence to that effect, but I will leave it to Ebuka Obi to answer whether it's true or not. And you people should ask Ebuka Obi whether it's true. I've told you, when Ebuka Obi want to do something, make him dey find mates in levels. For this Nigeria, I guess civilians will pass intimidation. You dey hear me? You get civilians who don't pass intimidation. Now our group, now they call powerful civilian. Echo ya nogo enyegia. Yesi no ka agbawebe putano chitano nkunu bia. Chiri nkunu bia, and you people should ask Ebuka Obi whether it's true that he wants to buy a land between the Imo Rivers border at a check. That bush where then they buy people, they throw where then they butcher them. You know, some Eche people see the shout say that Fulani they do it. Remember, didn't go balance to be side where they say go back. Who was controlling that place? Let me block Ozu. You know they see me and you dey here at Pamu, Anumpam. Who was controlling that place? Now this is Chaka of Simon Ekpa's M branch, where Tiger Base or where the Tiger Base police knack. They go Lagos, they come Lagos here, come catch her now. No be Shibiri side, they come catch her after Jangba. After Jangba, no be there they catch her. Ebuka Obi go buy land there, according to the report I got. Ask him how did he settle with Ichaka them. Mbise branch of Simon Ekpa where we don't eliminate. Then how come for a check? Instead they go another place where then they buy people, they come out human pass for there. Waiting in see with human pass. Waiting in see with area where people where they sell human pass the day. Ona go she explain on herself very well. Somebody told me a story, I have not confirmed it, but they said Oburu Yejofo, Ebuka Obi's clan, they ban selling of meat because Ebuka Obi father and two of his friends buy one man, butcher him body, share the meat. I have no evidence to that effect, but I will leave it to Ebuka Obi to answer whether it's true or not. Once more, I don't have the evidence. I don't rely on what people tell me. It is what I see with my eyes and what I can prove that will lead me to make a definite statement. If you notice, I'm not making a definite statement. I'm not Ebuka Obi that will come and pretend. Oh, you don't see. Onwere ihe ọ na-afụ onye eji fensik na onye afọ than Drew's liver salt. Then if he wasn't arranged with Mr. Padlock, how come he didn't see Mr. Padlock was fake? But on Afucha Fanta, in they see everything now. Should I give you the email? I said I will be my own lawyer. Then I go day court. Ebuka Obi go day court. They say, you so thing. You don't go read the charge now. Guilty or not guilty? I say I'm not guilty. Then I go come answer my own. Then it will be to cross-examine him. I be within saying go there in business center. Me I go there court. All the Isiagu. If I'm in that court, he will be there. He will be there. The accused and the accuser must meet themselves in court. So if all these lawyers want just go collect money for in hand, come go they drive. You know, say lawyer go tell you, say, oh, you can win this case. This is very easy. Now this is a soft case. Until they go collect their money, go put you for where you know go come out. And you know, say me, I know the year sorry. I know the year settlement. I know the year Biko. I know the year you don't do, and I'm not the one you will play this emotional blackmail on. Oh, he's your brother. Mma mwagi mmiri morning till night. Mma mwagi degi mmiri ahe ba n'ili. I will not stop. Okay? Mma mwagi degi mmiri aha till eba n'ili. I will not stop. And you people tell the animal akpamu akuzayon akirizayon that this also goes to him. It also goes to him. If he wants to do anything, please be my guest. Be my guest. Ngalano and Isiagu gomba. Translation: where grand they know they argue who strong pass for wrestling. See you see the person, see grand oya. Yame. That's how it should be done. That's how it should freaking be done. Una here, then just shut up and go home. Pretend you didn't hear what we are saying. But if you put your mouth, you get kote. Buying a trap. I suggest you don't. Because you cross that line, there is no coming back. You cross that line, there is no coming back. I will never respect you. I go insult you the way you know. Then unu choose obu I lujo ya for ododo obuna. Oh, spiritual warfare. Oh, what you are doing is spiritual. You say Akozayon is making math with lawyer. Let him bring his lawyers now. Let him, you know they see me. Ozu, Utobo, Ishi. If you are joining RNG man, you are only RNG, which means you are a criminal. Okay? You go explain to us the business what they do for Pakistan. Is that what they hear? No tongue say is that what they tell me. Then you go explain to us through whether them send you a Ahiocha from Pele to Malawi. And I go soon release the name of the person where they Malawi, where they say now they clear things for you. You dey hear me so? You dey hear me so? Because the investigation, I don't first tell you now. Now they go to the house. Now for your house, no, mother and they do I have no. Oh, from Ula again and then I gotta go now. From Ula I get on the Nagara goes Gaga Dudodaka. Nchogodun nke no prison with their name. Whether my Hejidiari name or Hejidiari name, I'm going to send you the picture. I drawn down on Obodo Jemi to her body. Oburu no get take in your Imonia extradite to Nigeria, may extradite. They will seize every property you have. Oh, you think say people wait the NDLA go see clear evidence like that? Now paper then go right to those people. Then while they are extraditing you to that side, then they seize your property. You know, say Ide law now. Ide law, asset for future. Asset for future. This one no be joke. If you na know General Buba Marwa, make una ask am who write about that asset for future. This one no be them say, I dey talk am here, they talk am open. Nobody in the NDLEA will say he or she brought that idea. Was that idea in force before I came back to Nigeria in 2020? The answer is no. So what else do you need me to tell you? Somebody tag him here. He don't block Ikbunea. I don't know whether I don't block this one. I don't block Ikbunea for the king of the game. I don't know whether I don't still block him here. But tag him. Let them not say he is not seeing it or he didn't hear it. Like the no burner. You know they make noise again. Hey, that the next thing you go call Ogoshi Okeke that he can't go no na Ndi Ara. Then akwuna Madam Deri Mamimbe. Hey, Angel no dey talk. Also. Go still pay Mamimbe. Ndi Ara. Abi na child rapist. We say onye jegoro sanko because of touching small pikin. Say as I know they mention his name again. Because he want me. They go down man na one Ikbunea. Thunder wagi jaja there. Thunder wagi jaja. Can just throw up that file again. Call your lawyers. Send them this video. Now if they no waste money for law school, make they carry me go court. See if I no go disgrace them. Make they come, make we go. Small time, if you see how they are intimidating their own people, oh, I go make call. If I make call for you, make call. Make call. Make call. Now military one use abi civilian, abi police. Make that call. Make that call. Katonda Baunu Jaja. My people, please expect the banner. I'm going to hoist it very soon. Let people know that these ones are a bunch of nobodies. Abi, make I leave and make this one first simmer. Then tomorrow I will go put her. Because I don't give them overdose. How many posts I don't make now because of them? I don't. If I carry your matter for head, you know, so I no go drop them. I no go drop them until I finish with you. And now, like I always say, you will start it, I will end it. You will be the one to start it, I will be the one to decide when it ends. No be you go decide. Once you start it, the genie is out of the bottle, and you can't put it back. Once you start it, the genie is out of the bottle, you can't put it back. One person said tomorrow, please, let's take a vote. In the next 1 minute, we'll wrap up the vote. Now today, I be make we use and give them Sunday tonic. Now today, I be na Sunday tonic. Anum pama. Okay, leave until tomorrow. 2-0 tomorrow. Well, make we dey see. I go pay star. Next time, unu na-eme you na mandi unu na-ejetra. Next time, if una dey make mouth, if una dey make noise, know the people wey una dey. Na parana una go dey do that thing with you. Na parana wey go get time dey inside. Okay, nna sabo Spencer and Enworo. It changes nothing. This video will be here. Why don't you get it? Why don't you grasp it? Why don't you grasp it? This video will be here. The more you report is the more you make me do more. Now me be human escalator. I will put you on the escalation ladder. Now like this, pam. I go the escalator. How don't you see it? How don't you see? Like you people don't follow patterns now. You don't notice patterns. That's your problem. I don't know who pass on. I think say for the intimidation kind people, any other person I go intimidate them. Okay, don't worry, I go use and do Sunday tonic for them. We go use and do Sunday tonic. At least we are doing it for the mothers. Remember what he did to Nwanyumuchu. I told you Nwanyumuchu will mock you, Ebuka Obi. Why when I don't go delete Nwanyumuchu video? Why? You never see me delete video before? Without reason. If I delete video now because person done something, you know, like the other time it was about a late DIG, police DIG. So you respect the rank. Okay? So that's just it. Other than that, I know they delete video. Follow for the month. He say Bobrisky follow for Henry Chinese. Make on do I still dey here. This page will be here. You know get what on I want to do. The video will be right here. Akwakunu ganebe na only cry on I go dey cry. Okay? But you do other platforms. On I see umuozu the annual here or umuazi. Okoko where they knack small children. We suppose they please. This guy suppose they like next 20 years. You know suppose don't come out. You rape small child and you still get mind because what you call the time you say, hey, anybody will go call me ex-convict. No be because you and ordinary civilian, ordinary person will know no law. No go they court, they check whether they convict you or not. You spend how many years there now? No be your father can't save you. They don't come now, they use you, they do RNG. They use you, they do RNG. You don't come. They tell hey, Ijele they mention my hey, we war omaji. Megodi chori make it ugwadi negina. Anuman. Yes, now them go see the talk say Nigeria know the work. If Nigeria they work, you suppose they jail. Or they suppose don't hang you. Now you want come talk. My people, thank you so much for being a part of this video. I love you all. Hit the like button and remember to share because all these reports now go make this video impossible to share. If you really want to share this video, this is the right time to share it. It will not be shareable afterwards because of all these reports. You understand? So Facebook, this page does not condone violence, does not attack anybody, does not attack any specific group, minority or majority. This is for educational purposes and only. Yet Umuzu will be reporting Ishi now. We are here waiting for you. Okay? Any place where I want make we see for Lagos, name time, make I come there. Name the time and location, call war. My brother, if Nigerian law they work, that where they call himself Ebuka Obi, before don't they jail? He's a criminal. Evangelist, is it a job title? Is prophet a job title? Is pastor a job title? Go and look for work. And the person tell you now, he say you go arrest him, you go do this and yeah. Na parana una go to tell that one. Okay? Juliet, go and still verify all the things I said about Nnamdi Kanu. Know whether they are true or false. Didn't I warn you he will destroy your region? Has he not destroyed your region? So why would you be catching feelings? Yes, that you should always focus on what's the truth, not who is involved. Forget personality and look at the subject matter. There is a reason it's called subject matter. So forget all those criminals. Which church make I attend tomorrow? I beg my people. Choose a church. Make I go Cherubim and Seraphim. I be select. Only say select for Lagos. You know go wear slippers go. Under this hot weather, I go they roast my leg for road. I know fit. But you go like the dance of their ladies. You know that time where them go turn the hey, you understand? You say make I go Zion. Those ones na people where it remain one junction make they reach Yaba left, now they go there. The difference between people where they go Zion and people where they go TB Joshua and allocation. You say make I go Zion, you see you. Go there, go do it. Go there, listen to illiterate. Go there, listen to jobless illiterate. You see am? So make I go Zion. No, if they see me there as I they enter their gate, they go declare prayer. Ebuka Obi go do. I see a devil enter there. The power of Lucifer has come here. You go see church people. Yeah. Oh Jesus, Lord of Jesus. He has come here again. What are you doing here? I cast and bind you. Ona go cast and bind tire. Ona go kabush tire. This one na the first abito shaker. Gandu ka gandu sa dey come. This one na bit to shake. I just give on. Ndara. Thank you so much, my people. I love you all. Stay blessed.